what lurks in the blackest depths of our planet, where light dares not tread. Imagine a world so alien, it makes Mars look familiar, a place where creatures defy imagination, thriving in crushing pressure and eternal darkness. In 2024 alone, scientists uncovered new species in the ocean's abyss that challenge everything we thought we knew about life. Why do these creatures look like they belong in a sci-fi horror flick? How do they survive where nothing should? Buckle up, because we're diving into the uncharted void of the deep sea to meet the newest, strangest residents of Earth's final frontier. From ghostly predators to shimmering slugs, this is no ordinary dive. It's a journey into the unknown. Ready to face the darkness? Let's plunge in. Picture this. 26,000 feet below the surface, in the Atacama Trench, where the pressure is 1,000 times greater than at sea level. It's called the Hadal Zone, named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld. Why? Because it's as close to hell as Earth gets. Yet, in this crushing darkness, a new predator was found in 2024, Dulcibella comanchica. Don't let the name fool you. This shrimp-like crustacean is no delicate flower. At just 4 centimeters long, it's a ghostly, translucent terror, darting through the abyss with razor-sharp appendages that snatch smaller amphipods like a horror movie villain. How does something so small become a top predator in such an extreme environment? Its name means darkness in indigenous Andean languages, a nod to the pitch-black world it rules. Scientists were stunned to discover not just a new species, but a whole new genus. What else is hiding in these trenches? Could there be even bigger predators we haven't seen? Dulcibella's discovery proves the Hadal Zone is a hot spot of life we're only beginning to understand. Let's zoom in on this nightmare fuel and see what makes it tick. What if you found a creature that looks like it was painted by a cosmic artist? Meet Bathydevius caudactylus, a sea slug discovered in 2024 by Mbari researchers. This isn't your garden variety slug. It swims through the midnight zone 3,000 feet down, with a tail that shimmers like a galaxy. Why does it glow? To attract prey, scare predators, or maybe even flirt in the dark. Unlike most sea slugs that crawl, this one dances through the water, its translucent body rippling with iridescent colors. Scientists call it a nudibranch, but it's more like a living jewel. How does it survive in a world with no sunlight? Its discovery raises a bigger question. How many other dazzling creatures are hiding just out of reach? Bathydevius is proof that the deep sea isn't just scary, it's breathtakingly beautiful. Let's dive deeper into its world. What happens when an iceberg the size of a city breaks free? In January 2025, a colossal iceberg calved from Antarctica's George VI ice shelf, revealing a seabed hidden for centuries. Scientists aboard the Falcon 2 expected a barren wasteland. Instead, they found a thriving ecosystem teeming with life. Giant sea spiders, octopuses, ice fish, and corals, some centuries old, flourished in the Bellingshausen Sea. Why was this ecosystem so vibrant under thick ice? One standout was a suspected new isopod species, its armored body scuttling across the seafloor. Another was a solitary hydroid, its tentacles drifting like ghostly threads. How did these creatures adapt to such stable, unchanging conditions? The discovery of dozens of potential new species raises a chilling question. What happens now that their icy shield is gone? Climate change is melting Antarctica's ice faster than ever. Could these creatures survive exposure to a warming ocean? This isn't just a story of discovery. It's a race against time to understand and protect these fragile ecosystems before they vanish. Ever heard of a creature called the gummy squirrel? In the Clarion-Clipperton Zone, a vast Pacific seafloor between Hawaii and Mexico, scientists found Psychopodus longicauda, a sea cucumber that looks like a plush toy from an alien toy store. Discovered among 5,000 new species in 2023, this chubby, purple creature waddles across the abyss, munching on marine snow. Why does it look so cuddly? Its soft, squishy body is perfect for the crushing depths of 5,100 meters. But here's the catch. This zone is a hotspot for deep-sea mining, targeting minerals for batteries and tech. What happens if we destroy the gummy squirrel's home before we even understand it? With only 6 of the zone species found elsewhere, this ecosystem is uniquely fragile. Can we balance progress with preservation? The gummy squirrel's fate hangs in the balance. What's a creature from the abyss doing in broad daylight? In February 2025, a black sea devil anglerfish, Melanocetus johnsonii, was spotted near the surface off Tenerife, a first-ever sighting that baffled scientists. With its gaping maw and glowing lure, this black sea monster is built for the deep, not shallow waters. Why was it here? Was it sick, fleeing a predator, or hinting at changes in the ocean we don't yet understand? Its bioluminescent lure, used to attract prey in the dark, looked out of place in the sunlit sea. How does a creature so perfectly adapted to the abyss end up where it doesn't belong? This sighting isn't just a fluke, it's a warning. The ocean is changing and its deepest secrets are surfacing. Let's unravel this mystery. The deep sea isn't just a graveyard of darkness. It's a cradle of life, bursting with creatures we're only beginning to meet. From the predatory Dulcibella comanchica to the shimmering Bathydevius caudactylus. These discoveries prove Earth's oceans hold more secrets than we can imagine. But here's the big question. Will we protect these alien worlds before they're lost? Climate change, mining, and pollution threaten the abyss, and with it, the chance to understand life's most extreme forms. What else is out there, waiting in the dark? The ocean is calling. Will we answer? Dive into the comments and tell us. Which creature freaked you out the most? Want to learn more? Check out the Schmidt Ocean Institute's YouTube channel for live expedition footage. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep exploring the unknown together. The abyss awaits.